To interpret Credit.com balance transfer, it is essential to understand the concept of balance transfer and its implications on your credit score. A balance transfer is the process of moving an outstanding balance from one credit card to another, typically to take advantage of a lower interest rate or 0% introductory offer. Step 1 is to check the balance transfer offer, which includes the introductory interest rate, the duration of the offer, and any balance transfer fees. The introductory interest rate is the rate applied to the transferred balance during the promotional period, and the duration of the offer is the time period during which the introductory rate applies. Step 2 is to review the balance transfer fee, which is a one-time fee charged by the credit card issuer for transferring the balance. This fee can range from 3 to 5% of the transferred amount, so it is crucial to factor it into your calculations. Step 3 is to calculate the total cost of the balance transfer, including the balance transfer fee and any interest charges that may apply after the promotional period ends. You can use online calculators or create a spreadsheet to determine the total cost and decide if the balance transfer is beneficial. Step 4 is to consider your credit score and history, as they play a significant role in determining the interest rate and credit limit offered by the credit card issuer. A good credit score can help you qualify for better balance transfer offers, while a poor credit score may result in higher interest rates or lower credit limits. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an example. Suppose you have a credit card with a balance of $2,000 and an interest rate of 20%. You find a balance transfer offer with a 0% introductory interest rate for 12 months and a balance transfer fee of 3%. If you transfer the balance, you will pay a fee of $60, and you will have 12 months to pay off the balance without incurring any interest charges. Best practices for balance transfer include paying off the transferred balance during the promotional period, making timely payments, and avoiding new purchases on the credit card. It is also essential to read the terms and conditions of the balance transfer offer carefully and understand the implications of missing a payment or going over the credit limit. In conclusion, interpreting Credit.com balance transfer requires a thorough understanding of the balance transfer offer, including the introductory interest rate, balance transfer fee, and total cost by following the steps outlined in this guide and considering your credit score and history. You can make an informed decision and potentially save money on interest charges.